Restart Pro. As consumers become increasingly interested in health-related habits, a desire has emerged to not just be healthy, but to look healthy as well. Time dedicated to hair care is no longer routine. It has evolved into a self-care ritual, increasing the need to raise customer education to the next level with information that goes beyond hair types or styles. Hair care is often seen as the most visible expression of the body and directly influences the foundations of self-esteem. Several attributes are associated with healthy hair. Among the most important are shine, softness, and physical resistance or tensile strength. These attributes can be easily lost during aggressive chemical procedures, such as chemical styling, bleaching, or straightening. Changing hair color is a recurring consumer desire, especially changing to lighter tones, and making one's hair blonde stands out as a primary hair transformation trend. The need to repair or prevent damage is so critical to consumers that the hair restoration market is expected to generate global sales of $12.2 billion by 2026. Hair bleaching is on the rise, even though the process is often harmful. This gives rise to a growing need for hair care and high-performance solutions that prevent and repair the damage caused by aggressive chemical treatments. Acting on the need for a reversal process that provides hair protection and repair during or after chemical transformation treatments, ChemiUnion has developed Restart Pro, an active ingredient obtained through biotechnology and is 100% biodegradable. Composed through synergistic association of itaconic acid, amino acid, provitamin B5, and polysaccharides extracted from flax and chia seeds, Restart Pro works by using repair and protection mechanisms that provide a proactive treatment for chemically damaged hair. Restart Pro's strong adhesion to the hair's fiber creates surprising results. Restart Pro protects the hair cuticle surface, showing reduced signs of abrasion, tearing, and opening with no buildup effect. Fewer signs of breakage. Protective barrier with no buildup effect. Protection and repair against aggressive chemical procedures. Restart Pro, proactive repair and protection for chemically damaged hair. Protects hair strength by up to 89%. Repairs hair damage by up to 92%. Increases strength of chemically damaged hair by up to 9.9%. Improves hair combability by 19.5%. Offers up to 29% more shine, protecting the cuticle from aggressive chemical damage. Discover Restart Pro. Visit ChemiUnion.com.